Kasi nung nag-iikot kami, nung bago-bago pa lang, pagbaba niya sa taas, may parang gusto kong scooter, tinuro niya. Tapos sumabi ko na.
Oh, dali na.
Larga!
Pala siya sa Pilipinas. Dali na.
Lahat man yan mga yan.
Don't hit anything.
Careful! Bye, Pilipinas! Can you say?
Thank you.
Ang outfit is fit, but the helmet is not fit.
It's a little small, but we'll get her gear on.
Yeah, we're gonna find something for her.
It should be all blue.
Are you happy? Are you happy? What is the best gift for you?
Oh,
Well, liar!
pick one. Pick one.
Only one.
Only.
Only one.
Don't lie.
Siyempre, both mommy and daddy. Di ba, nak? Si Vanity.
Yeah.
Yeah, gusto niya yun.